having problems with a range of motion exercise. I've just got a huge gap, well, not a huge gap, but a gap of about a fifth up at the top before, at the top of the standard, to the what I call a falsetto.
Yes, it's completely natural. I'll just show you what it looks like for me so you know what's up. About a fourth, right? That's what it looks like untrained. The equivalent of the trained version. What happens is that I mix in the falsetto earlier. So if I can show you kind of what happens in a less informed master range of motion ascent, is that we're ascending. The lips are kind of in a normal set, right? And we're ascending, and the lips are contributing to it, and the tongue back here is going, ooh, we're getting this up there, we're getting up there, high, 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 and we get up to like a lot of compression and a lot of clamp or smush, like the lips are pushing into each other, which means it's even harder than to roll in, and the tongue's way up there, and a tongue way up there on your roll in is going to take you way higher. And so there's a very, feels to me like a big abrupt transition because our embouchures are not 70% rolled in or 60% rolled in. They're like 20, 30, 40% rolled in, generally speaking, right? Where 100% is like your vermilion borders are hidden. So what I find is that rolling in sooner, so it looks like I start rolling in around third space C when I do my master range of motion exercises. It wasn't the greatest, but you can tell that it was a smoother transition up through, and there wasn't that big jump.
Yeah.
And also, the tone got thinner sooner because I was rolling in sooner. Do it again. Normally, at that point, I wouldn't be relying on roll in at all to contribute to getting to the next harmonic. But instead, I'm saying, roll in, no, you got this. I want to get you positioned to go all the way. So, give it a shot. Right up to double C.
First time I've ever done it. Oh well, thank you for that.
Thank you for that. Wow.
Have a virtual pint on me.
That's very validating to me. It's very satisfying to see my ideas validated in real time, you know? It's like the best. Oh man, what a big win.
Wow, thank you. Yeah, very happy with that.